About this item: 166 standard 750 ml wine bottle capacity or 161 bottles, with display shelf, capacity, built-in / freestanding installation, reversible door swing adjustable thermostat, 40° F, 65° F / 5° C, 18° C, powerful compressor cooling, internal fan forced circulation for even temperature distribution throughout the cabinet, environmentally friendly refrigerant activated carbon filter ensures optimum air quality, cylinder lock and 2 keys, interior lighting strip with 9 energy efficient LED. Soft white light bulbs, Fahrenheit and Celsius temperature display, 16 removable wire wooden faced flat slide out shelves, display shelf to store up to 6 bottles at an incline for showcasing or open bottles, tempered double pane gray smoked glass for enhanced UV protection. Noise level, dBA, 45. Product dimensions, 69.75 H x 23.5 W x 26.5 D, 28.5 D with handle installed, ETL listed built-in / freestanding. See more product details in the description to get this product today at the best price. About this item: 166 standard 750 ml wine bottle capacity or 161 bottles, with display shelf, capacity, built-in / freestanding installation,